Is it practical for academic institutions in the U.S. to raise their tuition fees? Attorney Andrew Campbell says, I think it's a big part of the problem that colleges and universities are, at the worst possible time, expanding their tuition rates, and they don't realize that the internet is going to transform higher education, and the majority of those tuition increases are related to hard costs. They're related to increases in cost of building and renovating buildings and land. The physical presence of universities is really going to be a lot less important because a lot of the educational services will be delivered over the internet, and you don't have to have a physical presence. It just shows they're not being very intelligent about the future of education. They're fixed in this old mindset that somehow, if they build a better-looking building in bigger facilities, that's going to attract better talent in being professors and students. It might raise the profile of the program. That's frankly silly because since 1995, right when the internet became commercialized, if you looked ahead, you would have seen that virtual learning was a concept that could become a reality. You know what happens when any product or service that can be sold and delivered over the internet or sold and delivered by mail cheaply, every single service product has become commoditized. Every single one. I can't name one that hasn't. There are some out there in narrow niches. You don't see many of bookstores anymore. I see the same thing happening to education, frankly, and I think it's going to take a lot longer to impact them, but the result's going to be the same. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Andrew Campbell in Flint, Michigan at 810-620-7799 or visit his website at www.michigandebt.abuse.com.